If you're doing an affiliate partnership with a brand, does that mean that you also have to give them usage rights to your content? No. When you are doing an affiliate partnership with a brand, your only obligation is to sell the product and make a commission. Now, some brands have very strict parameters on how many posts they want you to do per month or anything like that. Not every brand does. That's your only obligation though, unless you've signed a contract that says that you are also giving away usage rights. In this situation here, this creator was in an affiliate partnership with them and let the brand have usage rights, and she's seeing how they're going to repost it. And for example, if they take the video that she created and they create a paid advertisement with it and she did not give the usage rights to that brand, that's not okay. In my opinion, if you're doing an affiliate partnership with a brand and you're not getting paid a set amount, a formally compensated partnership, you're only getting commission, you should not be giving away free paid usage rights. I don't think in any situation you should be giving away free paid usage rights. If this were me and the brand was using my content in paid ads without asking for my permission and I did not sign a contract giving permission, this is where I would send them an invoice.